Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see live chat application. This application will allow your customers to directly contact you from your store without needing to go outside your store or using, for example, WhatsApp or Facebook. Let's see this application together. You will notice that I don't have the application in my application tab here. So I will go click on market.storeino.com and you will see the application of live chat like this. It is free for lifetime. So go and click on this application and click on get this app. Then you will need to log in. I already have login. Choose your store and click on next. Then click on install like this. As you see now, the application has been installed. I'm gonna click on check your app so I could go to my store applications. You will see now the application of live chat is now available. Just click on activate. And let's see the settings of this application. First of all, you will see database configurations and database URL. First, we will need to set up a database in Firebase. You're gonna go to new tab and search for Firebase like this. The first link, click on it and click on get started. After that, click on create a project and let's name this project live chat Storeino like this. Then click on accept the terms and continue. After that, we don't need to enable Google Analytics for this project. Just click on create project and wait until the project is created. Now our project is ready. Click on continue. And this is the dashboard of Firebase. We did not talk about why we need this Firebase. We need this so we could save our conversations between us and our clients in a database, and it will always be there for us when we need it. So go and click on build and click on real-time database. Click on create database and choose your database center. I will choose, for example, United States Central. And click on next and click on enable like this. Now we have set up our real-time database. There is one more thing to do is click on rules like this. So our store could access this database and read and write conversation on it. So I'm gonna change the false to true like this, and the same thing with the right permission. Then click on publish like this. Now the rules has been published. Let's go back to data like this and click on this URL and copy this URL like this and go back to your application, then paste the URL in here. After that, we need to name this live chat application. Let's see, for example, Storeino. Then if you want to display a welcome message, when a client clicks on the live chat icon, this welcome message will appear first. You can write whatever you like. Then the required fields, as you see now, I only have ticked the name. If I want the clients also put their email and the phone number, I'm just gonna click and tick this phone number in the email. So when a client wants to chat with me, he needs or she needs to fill out his or her name, the email and the phone number. I'm just gonna uncheck these two and click on save. Done. Now we have set up our application. Click on show store so we could test this application. Now you see this icon here of live chat. Click on it, and as you see, the required fields to start a live chat is only a name. I'm gonna put, for example, this name and click on start like this. You will see now the live chat, and the welcome message that we have been set up is now showing here. For example, I'm gonna click hi, and if I go back to the backend, I will see that there is this conversation right here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave us the question in the comments below.